Restrooms are the biggest cleaning challenge in a facility, so when not just any cleaner will do, the genie is out of the bottle to tackle urine deposits and their associated unpleasant odors. Sha-Zyme DRC Deodorizer Restroom Cleaner Urine Odor Eliminator utilizes highly active bacteria to not just mask urine odors, but to consume and eliminate the uric acid, the source of the malodors. Use Sha-Zyme DRC to clean any water-washable restroom surface to remove soils and grime to keep surfaces clean, bright, sanitary, and odor-free.